How to download YouTube videos. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device, and now go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for the video that you want to download. Now once you have opened the video that you want to download, here on the bottom you will see the option for a download, so tap on the download option you see there, and you will then be allowed to choose the download quality. The download quality depends on if you have a premium account or if you're using a normal YouTube account. Once selected, tap on the download option you see there, and with this the video will be available offline. And now in order to check your download videos, you can tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will see the downloads tab. Here, if you tap on the downloads tab, you will be able to view the videos that you have downloaded. So this was about how you can download YouTube videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.